In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Shopify PIN. This walkthrough is perfect if you use Shopify POS and want to update the 4-digit code staff use to unlock the point of sale or approve certain actions. I'll guide you through the exact path in your Shopify admin, explain what each screen means, and share a few quick tips to keep your store secure. First, start by logging into your Shopify admin. It's easiest to do this from a desktop browser so you can see all the menus clearly. Make sure you're signed in with the store owner account or a staff account that has permission to manage users. If you don't have the right access, you won't be able to change a PIN for yourself or for someone else. Once you are in the admin, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings. This is the gear icon that opens the area where you manage the backbone of your store, from checkout preferences to staff and permissions. We're heading there to adjust the POS PIN. Inside Settings, go to the section labeled Users. Depending on your interface, you might see a slightly longer name, but it will be the place where all staff accounts live. This is where you control who can access your store and what they're allowed to do. Find the staff account whose PIN you want to set. You can scroll the list or use the search bar to quickly locate the right person. Double check you've selected the correct staff member so you don't change someone else's PIN by mistake. If you're updating your own PIN, simply open your own profile. Now scroll to the area labeled Staff PIN or POS PIN. This section controls the 4-digit code used on Shopify POS devices. If you don't see this section, it usually means your store doesn't use POS or your account doesn't have permission to manage PINs. Enter a new 4-digit PIN. Keep it memorable to the staff member but hard to guess. Avoid obvious choices like repeating numbers or dates. For best practice, each staff member should have a unique PIN so you can track actions accurately in your POS activity logs. When you're ready, click Save. Look for a confirmation message so you know the change has been applied. The new PIN takes effect right away. If the staff member is already signed in on a POS device, have them sign out and back in to use the new code. And that's it, you've updated a Shopify POS PIN from the admin. Remember to store pins securely, update them when roles change, and repeat these steps anytime you need to make another change.